Our homes should be our havens. They are where we rest, recharge, and reconnect with ourselves. The energy of our living spaces has a profound impact on our well-being. When our homes are cluttered and disorganized, we often feel stressed, overwhelmed, and unable to truly relax. Creating a harmonious and serene environment is essential for a balanced and fulfilling life. Clutter is more than just messy piles. It represents stagnant energy. Each item we own carries an energetic vibration. When items are unused, forgotten, or hold negative memories, they drain our energy. This energetic blockage can manifest in our lives as procrastination, lack of motivation, and difficulty achieving our goals. By clearing clutter, we create space for positive energy to flow, inviting new opportunities and abundance. Imagine walking into a clean, organized space. You feel lighter, calmer, and more at ease. A clutter-free environment allows your mind to relax and your thoughts to flow freely. This mental clarity enhances creativity, focus, and problem-solving abilities. When our surroundings are in order, we feel more in control of our lives and better equipped to handle challenges. Decluttering doesn't mean living a minimalist lifestyle. It's about surrounding yourself with items that spark joy and serve a purpose. Start by discarding items that no longer bring you joy or haven't been used in a long time. Organize belongings by category, finding a designated space for everything. This creates a sense of order and makes it easier to maintain a tidy space. Section 5. Unpacking the baggage beliefs about clutter. Our beliefs often influence our behaviors. Examine your thoughts about clutter. Do you hold on to items out of guilt, fear of waste, or sentimental attachment? Challenge these beliefs and ask yourself if they are truly serving you. Remember, letting go of material possessions does not equate to forgetting memories or loved ones. Section 6. Letting go of the past, embracing the future. This journey is not just about physical decluttering, but also about emotional and mental liberation. Holding on to items from the past can prevent us from moving forward. These items often carry emotional weight, memories, and sometimes even regrets that tether us to moments long gone. Each item we keep holds a story. These stories can be beautiful reminders of our journey, but they can also be anchors that keep us from sailing towards new horizons. If the story no longer serves us, it's time to let it go with gratitude. This act of release is not about forgetting, but about acknowledging the past and making room for the future. Thank the item for its service and release it with love. This simple gesture can be profoundly healing, allowing us to honor our past while stepping into a brighter future. This act of letting go creates space for new experiences and opportunities to enter our lives. When we clear out the old, we make room for the new, inviting fresh energy and possibilities into our existence. Embracing the future means being open to change and new beginnings. It means trusting that what lies ahead can be even more fulfilling than what we leave behind. Just as the sun rises each day, bringing light and warmth, so too can we rise from our past, bringing new light into our lives. Reflecting on our journey helps us understand the lessons we've learned and the growth we've experienced. It allows us to appreciate how far we've come and to set intentions for where we want to go. Planting new seeds symbolizes our commitment to nurturing new dreams and aspirations. As we let go of the old, we make space to cultivate new growth. These new opportunities can blossom into beautiful experiences, enriching our lives in ways we never imagined. So let us embrace the future with open hearts and minds, ready to welcome the endless possibilities that await us. The future is a vast landscape of limitless potential. By letting go of the past, we free ourselves to explore and create a life filled with joy, purpose, and fulfillment. Section 7. The joy of tidying, finding what sparks joy. Tidying shouldn't feel like a chore. It should be an act that brings you closer to a life filled with happiness and contentment. When you approach tidying with the right mindset, it transforms from a mundane task into a meaningful ritual. Approach it with a spirit of gratitude and joy. Each item in your home has served a purpose, whether it brought you joy, taught you a lesson, or simply existed as a part of your journey. Recognize the value in each possession. Hold each item in your hand and ask yourself, does this spark joy? This simple question is powerful. It helps you connect with your true feelings about your belongings and make decisions that align with your values and desires. If it does, keep it. These are the items that resonate with your heart and contribute to your overall well-being. They are the pieces that make your space uniquely yours. If not, thank the item for its service and let it go. This act of gratitude allows you to part with items without guilt or regret. It acknowledges the role they played in your life and honors their contribution. Surrounding yourself with items that spark joy elevates your mood and creates a positive and inspiring environment. A space filled with joy-inducing items becomes a sanctuary, a place where you can thrive and feel at peace. This practice not only declutters your physical space, but also clears your mind, making room for new experiences and opportunities. Embrace the joy of tidying and let it transform your life. Section 8. Maintaining the flow. Simple habits, big impact. Once you've decluttered, maintaining the flow of energy is key. It's not just about having a clean space. It's about creating an environment that supports your well-being and productivity. When your surroundings are in harmony, you can focus better, feel more relaxed, and even sleep more soundly. The energy in your home or workspace should feel light and free-flowing, not stagnant or chaotic. Make tidying a daily ritual. This doesn't mean spending hours cleaning every day. Instead, dedicate just 10-15 minutes to put things in order. This small investment of time can make a huge difference. Start by making your bed every morning. It sets a positive tone for the day and gives you a sense of accomplishment right from the start. Put items back in their designated places after use. This simple habit can save you a lot of time and stress. When everything has a home, you won't waste time searching for things. Plus, it keeps your space looking neat and organized. Encourage everyone in your household to follow this rule. It fosters a sense of responsibility and teamwork. Adopt the one in, one out rule for every new item you bring in. Let go of one. This helps prevent clutter from building up and makes you more mindful of your purchases. Before buying something new, ask yourself if you really need it and if it will add value to your life. This habit not only keeps your space tidy, but also promotes a more sustainable lifestyle. These small habits prevent clutter from accumulating and maintain a sense of peace and order. A clutter-free environment can significantly reduce stress and anxiety. It allows you to focus on what truly matters and enjoy your space to the fullest. Remember, it's the little things that make a big difference. By incorporating these simple habits into your daily routine, you can create a more harmonious and balanced life. Section 9. Beyond the physical, decluttering your digital life. Clutter isn't limited to our physical spaces. Our digital lives can become just as cluttered as our homes. Take time to declutter your inbox, organize files on your computer, and unsubscribe from unnecessary emails. Creating a clean and organized digital space reduces stress and allows for greater focus and productivity. Section 10. A clear space, a clear mind, a clear heart. When we declutter our spaces, we declutter our minds and hearts. The act of letting go allows us to release negative emotions, limiting beliefs, and past burdens. This inner clearing creates a sense of lightness, peace, and freedom. We become more open to receiving love, joy, and abundance in all areas of our lives. Section 11. Transformation through tidying. Transforming your space is an act of self-love. It's about creating an environment that supports your well-being and allows you to thrive. By embracing the power of decluttering, you invite positive energy, clarity, and joy into your life. Remember, tidying is not just about organizing your belongings. It's about creating a life that sparks joy from the inside out.